Hello everyone, Freddie Miller here in South Beach. I got boats in the background, helicopters flying everywhere, really exciting times, and I share this with, I'm on the video today, and my message today is, I was talking to one of my top leaders, and we were reviewing some organizational reports, looking at some groups and whatnot, and this is going great, and this we got to work on and whatnot, and came to a specific group that was on fire about 90 days ago, and I brought up the message, I wish people would understand this is not just a sprint, it's a marathon. And I really wish people would not compare their success, their short-term success, with the short-term success of others. So many times, those that have been in the network marketing industry with different companies realize that there's people that come in all the time and within 30 days have this spectacular story. And sometimes we compare ourselves and our story to theirs, not knowing what the true story is, not knowing, how many years they've been in the industry, not knowing what process they've gone through, not knowing the skill set they've developed, not knowing the relationships they've built, and obviously, why that occurred. And I'm not knocking down that immediate success, I'm just saying, don't compare yourself, guys. We all have to go through a process. We all have to learn, what it is interacting with human beings, right? Building a volunteer army. It's a process, and for some, it's something that they've built. They've learned. They've learned to adapt and pick up the skill set necessary to be able to do that, right? To be able to lead, to be able to inspire, to be able to influence over others. And I share that with you because so many times I see people get off the gates, on fire, going on the right path, and all of a sudden they deviate and actually stop because they're not having the success that they heard some other people having. Guys, stop comparing yourself to other people's success. This is not about comparing. This is not even, the only competition you really have here is you. You're the only problem you'll ever have. You're the only solution. And I'll tell you, what we do here, guys, it's about impacting lives, network marketing, leaving someone else better off than when we found them. Those that are ready, willing, and able to take action. Those that are teachable and coachable. And those that obviously move in spite of their obstacles, not once they know what it is that they want to do and have been told what it is, have been mentored by you, have been coached by you and directed by you. So I share that with you because, guys, don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. Early on in my career, that's all I did. And right now, I know what I'm capable of. I just go for it. I try to challenge myself and stretch myself as much as I can. But hey, if someone happens to have some more success than me, I don't let that bother me. And it's not because I think I'm better than them or anything like that. I just know that some people have gone through more of a process than me. And in some cases, some people may want it more than me in certain instances, right? So I don't let that bother me. Actually, it inspires me to stretch myself and go further and farther and know that it's possible. So guys, I hope this video has helped you out. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. Look forward to seeing you in future videos and maybe meet you in person. Take care, God bless, and you make it a great day.